Hey guys, welcome back to Lewin Global Unboxing. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to assemble the Defy, and this is a keyboard tray that slides out under your office desk or table, whatever you use. This one is 26 inches, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the rails on first. Things with rails, I always like to do the rails first. You do not have to, but that's what I'm doing first. I'm going to install the rails on this. Alright, now the rails have Phillips head screws, if you guys can even see it. And there's 3 of them for each side. I'm going to do this right side here first. This one installed. I find it easier to get the rails done first, and then I can install the clamp. Basically set the clamp system up. So that's why I'm doing this first. Alright. All these 3 screws are tightened down pretty good. You can see. Alright. And this here actually is for to slide your cables through, to kind of keep your cables organized. This is the rear of the tray, so this is the back part. So this, make sure this back part is facing, you know, the back of your desk. Okay, and let me flip it, you guys can see over. This is the front, it's the back, so you guys can see. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to do that off camera so you guys don't have to watch me screwing in bolts anymore. Alright, once you guys have the rails set up, make sure you get this pad here. This is one of the pads you get, and it's for this plate here because this rests on top of your desk and you don't want to damage your desk, so use this pad and put that on there like that so you can protect your table. Right? Fits right in there like that. Alright, once you do that, there's 2 screws. These Allen wrench screws I hate, but they fit into here, and you have to do it on the back side because there's an indent where it fits right in perfectly in the back. You'll see it when you're putting this together, but it goes in the back like that, and this one goes like this. This covers the front like that. Okay, and then you screw your screw in here. I don't know why they keep these stupid Allen. They must be cheap to produce because they keep sending them. So, alright, let's turn this in here real quick. Trying to get one side in so you guys can see what it looks like. And that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, now let me put the last screw in and get the clamps. Okay guys, so I have both of these brackets on for the clamp setup. So before I put that together, I want to show you guys this. This screw here has a little threaded hole in it. This is where the Phillips head goes, because you have to put this little washer on top of that. Then you put this part of the clamp, the top part of the clamp here, on top, and screw this little Phillips head screw in. That basically completes this clamp unit, but you can't do it now because you have to screw this in, the hole underneath here. There's a hole, and you have to thread that in there. Okay, so that goes in there. Now the way I'm doing it is a harder way because I already put this bracket on. You can do this before you put the bracket on. But this screw doesn't have to be real tight. It's basically just to hold this top part of the clamp screw in. So there's no reason for it to be super tight. You can hand tighten it. That's what I'm doing. You just hand tighten it. You don't have to worry about it because it doesn't go all the way. You guys can see that. It does not screw down all the way. There's a big gap in it so that it can move around. Okay? So guys, don't worry about that. That's why I did this part. You don't have to worry about that. There's no point. You can screw it all you want with your screwdriver. It's not going to get tight because of this gap. Okay? But that's how you do it, guys. And your clamp has officially been made. Just like that. But what I wanted to show also, I didn't show on that one I just did. When you first take your parts out, you get this little rubber gasket here, and it goes on this metal part because you wanted to protect your table. Okay, but it goes around like that, and the little rubber seal goes right around and protects it. Okay, so I didn't show you the first one I just did, but that's where that goes. Okay, now I'm going to do the last side. Then I'm going to clamp this down to the desk and let you guys see the final finished product. Alright guys, I've clamped it down to my desk. So let me shot of the clamp. It's right there. You guys can see the Defy logo on that bracket. It's clamped down to my desk. Then you can see the light on my keyboard, but I'll pull it up. You guys can see. And there it is, pulled out. So took the space off the top I had on the table and put it down here. So now I have extra space on my tabletop here. The only thing though, I have to get a new mouse pad because my mouse pad, the original one, I still have it under my monitor, but it's too big for this, so I have to order a mouse pad for this size. Now this is 26 inches wide, so anything smaller than 26 would be a perfect fit for this. Let's see, it's 26 wide. Let's see if I can get a measurement on here. And about, I'd say 7 inches. So it's 26 across. Yeah, it's 26 across and 7 inches on the sides. The sides are 7 inches and the across is 26 inches across and 7 inches line. But that's it guys, it's set up. It was a simple process. Hope the video was helpful to you guys. And you'll stop by the channel again. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.